Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can to keep safe your photo with Gmail. So you can do it by tap on a Gmail app, then you can try to compose your mail, and here you can attach file. So you can attach an image or some image here that you want to save on a Gmail. And here, for example, so just all you have to do, just go back and message save as a draft, so you can check your draft. Here the image is saved on your draft. Whenever you open the Gmail on your phone or your laptop or PC, the image is still saved on draft. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.